I've not shared a curry recipe with you for a long time, so here's my meat and spinach curry recipe. So I'm going to start by cutting some lamb into small pieces. And I have no idea what part of the lamb this is. Is it liver? Is it kidney? I have no idea, but it's part of the lamb, so I'm going to put that in there anyway. First of all, I'm going to add the meat to a heated pan. Next, I'm going to finely slice an onion. I'm just going to add the onions to the meat. So I'm just going to mix that around a little bit. While I'm browning that meat, I'm just going to chop up some spinach. So I used around 4 bunches of spinach and I slowly watched it disappear while I was cooking it. So although 4 bunches seems like a lot, it really wasn't. So the meat has been cooking on a high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to start adding some spices. So here's some black cardamom, some ground coriander, some cinnamon sticks. Here I have some whole cumin seeds. I'm going to add some crushed ginger and some crushed garlic at this stage. I'm now going to add half a tin tomato. I'm going to give that a good stir and let it cook for another 15 minutes. I'm now going to add some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and some mixed curry powder. All of the ingredients and spices I have used are in the description below. And at this point I usually add some water. I'm going to let that simmer for about 25 minutes on a medium heat. I'm going to go in with the oil now. I'm going to give that a good stir so all of the oil is combined in with the gravy. I'm going to cook that on a high heat for 10 minutes. I'm now going to add the spinach. As the spinach gets cooked, it reduces in size. I'm going to carry on cooking that until it changes colour. So it's been around 10 minutes and the spinach has reduced half in size. I'm just going to add some green chillies in there, optional of course. So I'm going to put a couple of bay leaves in there. I feel as if this really brought out the flavour of this dish. I'm now going in with some fresh coriander. And lastly, I'm just going to let this simmer on a very low heat for about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to plate that up in my serving dish and it's ready to serve with some naan.